Oh no! The fridge is empty!
You are right. There is no milk or eggs.
Don't worry. Let's go to the supermarket. Yay! Let's get my shoes. I am ready.
I have the car keys. Everyone, let's go.
Look! This is a very big store.
It is so bright in here.
Wow! Let's go.
Miko, can you help me find a shopping cart?
I found one. Let's go, Dad.
Come on, Miko. Help me push the cart.
I can do it. I am pushing the cart now. Let's go. Miko, look at our shopping list. We need many things. A shopping list. Can I hold it, please? Miko, can you find the yellow bananas? They are curved. Here they are. They look like a big yellow smile.
Look at these mangoes, Miko. They smell wonderful.
They smell very sweet. Can we have some? Oh, this little fruit is fuzzy and brown. What is it? That is a kiwi, Miko. It is fuzzy outside but green inside. Look, Mommy. Big red apples. 1, 2, 3.
Well done, Miko. Let's put them in the cart.
I am putting the apple in gently. Fruits are so colorful and healthy. Now, let's go and find some yummy vegetables. Mummy, Daddy, shall we make a big salad for our dinner tonight?
That is a brilliant idea, Miko. It will be very healthy.
Look, red tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Miko, they are red and round.
Look at these crunchy carrots. What color are they?
They are bright orange. And they are very long. Look at the lettuce. It is big and green.
Yes, Miko. It is very fresh lettuce. Put it in, please.
Our next mission is to find some vibrant green cucumbers. Can you spot them?
I am looking everywhere, Mommy. Oh, I see them near the lettuce.
Look at these potatoes, Miko. They are brown.
They are brown and dusty. I like potatoes.
The onions smell very strong, Mommy. Yes, onions are strong. But they are good for us. Good for us.
Look at this corn, Miko. It is bright yellow.
It feels bumpy. I love yellow corn. Oh, Mommy. It is a tiny tree. I do not want to eat a tree.
It is broccoli, Miko. It is very healthy and full of vitamins.
Yeah.
That's right.
It is very cold here, Mommy. Yes, Miko. The fridge is cold to keep our milk fresh. Ooh, the glass is very cold. Here is the milk.
Yes, it is cold to keep the milk fresh. Let's take one.
Can I take the big milk bottle, Daddy?
Yes, you can. Be careful. It is heavy.
We need 6 white eggs, Miko. Please be very gentle. I will be gentle, Mommy. I like eggs for breakfast. Look, yellow cheese. Can we put it on our pizza?
Yes, Miko. Yummy yellow cheese is perfect for pizza.
What is this big white tub, Mommy? It is plain yogurt, Miko. It is white and very healthy. Look, Daddy. Pink yogurt. I love strawberry flavor.
Splendid. We can get strawberry and banana flavors, too.
Look, Mommy. We are in the bakery section.
Well done, Miko.
This bread is very soft. Feel it.
I like soft bread.
I can smell fresh bread, Mommy. Yes, Miko. The bakery smells wonderful today.
This is a baguette, Miko. It is very long and crunchy.
It is like a big stick. Can we buy 2 long breads?
Into the cart they go. The brown bread is very healthy. It will make you grow big and strong.
Then I want the brown bread, please. It is good for me.
That's great.
Look at these cupcakes, Miko. They are very small.
They are tiny. They look like little clouds. Mommy, look at the pink donuts. They have colorful sprinkles. They look very sweet, Miko. Should we get one for a treat? Yes, please. 1 pink donut for me.
Miko, we can take either the donuts or the cupcakes. Which one?
But, Mummy, why? I want both of them, please.
Too much sugar can hurt your teeth and your body, Miko.
Oh, I want to be healthy and strong. I will choose the donuts. We have the brown bread and the pink donuts.
Yes, Miko. You chose very well today.
Look, Daddy. We are in the frozen food section now.
Yes, Miko. This is where the frozen food is kept.
Brrr. It is very cold here. I can feel the ice. It is cold because the food must stay frozen, Miko. Daddy, the frozen section is colder than the milk section.
You are right, Miko. It is much colder here.
The milk section was cool, but this section has real ice. Yes. Ice keeps the food frozen. It is like a giant winter forest. Mommy, look! A big round pizza in the freezer! Yes, Miko, it is a round cheese pizza. It is frozen. Mommy, I found the ice cream. Can we have it? Ice cream is very cold and sweet, Miko. Look! Brown chocolate and white vanilla.
Those are very yummy flavors, Miko.
Ice cream, Mommy. Can I have one, please? Next week, Miko. Today, we have donuts. Okay, Mommy. Next week. Look, Miko. We have 2 full carts today. Wow, so much food for our family. Here are the eggs and the white yogurt. Thank you, Miko. You are a very big helper. Mommy, what is that red light doing to the food?
The machine reads the barcode to find the price.
Listen, Miko. The card goes beep. Beep! The food is ours now, Mommy.
Let's pack the food into the bags, Miko.
I can help. The bread is in the bag. I am tired, Daddy, but I was a big helper.
Yes, Miko. You were great. Let's go home. Let's put the shopping in the car boot, Miko.
Okay, Daddy. Everything is inside now.
All the shopping is safe in the boot. Stand back, Miko.
1, 2, 3, shut!
Oh, I am very, very hungry, Mommy.
We are home, Miko. Let's take the food inside.
Mommy, I am so hungry. Can we eat?
Soon, Miko. Help us unpack the food first.
First, let's put the food away. Then, we can cook our dinner. The fridge is full, enough for a week. We have so much healthy food, Mommy.
Miko, you must wash your hands before we cook.
Look at me. I can wash my hands all by myself. Can I eat a donut now, Mommy?
No, Miko. Dinner first, then donuts.
The salad is yummy. I am a big boy.
Yes, Miko. Healthy food makes you grow.
Mommy, Daddy, today was a very fun day.
Yes, Miko. It was a great day together.
The best time is family time.
I love my family so much.